after a long 30-day waiting period, which is just part of the appellate process after an appeals court makes a decision, and the Supreme Court did, setting out its presidential immunity ruling. After 30 days, what's called the mandate issues. The case is returned to the trial court for further proceedings consistent with the appellate court, in this case, the Supreme Court's ruling. What does all that mean? Well, I have to tell you, my favorite headline that I read, and I've been trying to read furiously everything that's being reported about this, comes from CBS News, and the headline simply states, Chutkan takes the reins. Judge Chutkan now has this case back in D.C. federal court, and I have a feeling as early as perhaps tomorrow, because she is known to work on the weekends, or maybe Monday, she will set a schedule for hearings to be held consistent with the Supreme Court's ruling. And what that boils down to is the Supreme Court basically tried to give Donald Trump a whole bunch of immunity for a whole bunch of the crimes he committed. However, they said he may enjoy presidential immunity for official presidential acts, but if what he did on and around January 6th constituted unofficial acts, private conduct, for example, a candidate trying to retain the power of the presidency after losing an election, he can be prosecuted for unofficial acts, for private conduct, and they are now putting the ball literally back in Judge Chutkan's court to sort all this out in evidentiary hearings.
Please subscribe for more.